Ukraine says it has liberated 4 villages in the southeast of the country in the first victories of its much-anticipated counteroffensive. Officials reported on Monday that the national flag is once again waving over Storozhove, in the Donetsk region. Reports and footage from the weekend show similar scenes in the neighboring settlements of Blahodatne and Neskuchne, as well as nearby Makarivka. The villages are relatively small and Moscow is yet to confirm any retreat. On Saturday, Ukrainian President Volodymyr Zelensky confirmed that the counteroffensive had begun. These 4 settlements would be the first liberated since his comments, but not the first that Ukraine has recaptured since last Monday, when its forces began to advance in the country's south. Moscow has yet to confirm the fall of any of the villages. It says Ukrainian assaults in the region have been repelled. Elsewhere, Ukraine says Moscow has blown up another dam in a Russian-controlled part of the Zaporizhzhia region. It followed the destruction of the major Kakhovka dam a week ago, which caused flooding and mass evacuations. On Sunday, Valery Shershin, a spokesperson for the Ukrainian military, said the destruction of the second dam near the village of Novodarivka had led to the flooding on both banks of the Mokri Yaly river. Mr. Shershin said Russia was deliberately blowing up dams in the region to halt Ukraine's advance towards occupied areas. Russia has denied it blew up the Kakhovka dam and has blamed Ukraine instead.